I choose to heal, I choose to grow. I forgive me for what I've done. My heart is light, my soul is one. I forgive all who caused me pain. I rise above, I break the chain. I allow myself to just be free, living in love, my true identity. I forgive myself for hurting others. I choose kindness, we're all sisters and brothers. I let go of anger, I let go of blame. I walk in peace, I claim my name. Get your forgiveness flow on. I breathe in peace, I let it grow. Forgiving and letting go. I release the weight, I set it free. I forgive you, and I forgive me. I allow myself to just be my true self, wild and free. No chains of anger, no bitter song. I forgive everyone who's done me wrong. I forgive myself for the hurt I've caused. For every moment my love was paused. I choose compassion, I choose the light. I choose to heal and make things right. I let go of pain, I let go of fear. I welcome joy, I hold it near. I speak these words, I make them true. Forgiveness starts inside of you. I forgive and let it flow. I choose to heal, I choose to grow. I forgive me for what I've done. My heart is light, my soul is one. I forgive all who caused me pain. I rise above, I break the chain. I allow myself to just be free, living in love, my true identity. I forgive myself for hurting others. I choose kindness, we're all sisters and brothers. I let go of anger, I let go of blame. I walk in peace, I claim my name. I forgive myself for hurting others. I choose kindness, we're all sisters and brothers. I let go of anger, I let go of blame. I walk in peace, I claim my name. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Get your forgiveness flow.